Unfortunately, our journey in Cusco has come to an end, but it's not over yet. Today, we're spending the night on the only luxury sleeper train in South America. I've never seen anything like this. Cheers! Welcome to the Belmond Andean Explorer train. Before getting on the train, we are at the Belmond Monasterio Hotel. And we take a little bus to the train station. We got champagne right when we got here.
I was cheersing with my, I thought this was my champagne.
We got our morning coffee, snacks, and there's a little performer back there. Now let's come check out our suite. We're staying in cabin number 3. Have this living room area. Comfiest queen-size bed. Plush pillows. Love the decor. Full-size dresser. We can pretty much just move on in. There's even a little window so you can peek out. There's 2 nightstands, lots of drawers. There's outlets, a lamp, and a button. If you need anything, you can call them. 2 really comfy chairs. You can just lounge around if you want to get some work done. Over here, we've got a little closet with hangers, robes to change into, and even a bathroom and shower. It's so spacious in here, so luxurious. The service has been impeccable. The design is so beautiful. We have brunch in an hour. We'll have dinner later, and we actually have 2 excursions. The train will be stopping, and we get to get off, explore some markets and some archaeological sites. There's 2 gourmet dining cars. Two bars on board, and there's also a spa. If you're looking for a luxury train experience overnight, I wouldn't look anywhere else besides the Belmond Andean Explorer train. I've never seen anything like this. There are so many different bars and dining options, little lounge rooms, live music, entertainment. The staff have been so incredible. Panoramic views all around. We're just getting started. We'll be landing in Lake Titicaca, Puno, tomorrow morning. But first, we have brunch, dinner, and breakfast on the train with 2 excursions. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to sleep. stop was at Raqqa, and we are at the back of the train in the observatory area. And now we're in the observatory car. It is the very back of the train. It's like a front row ticket with panoramic views as we glide on by the Andes to Lake Titicaca. A seating area, sipping on some peaceful sours. Going to the highest lake in the world, Lake Titicaca. We had some coca tea, which helps with altitude. Now we're having some munya tea. One of the prettiest views I've ever seen. And the best seats in the house. Good morning from the Belmond Andean Explorer train. We had the best night's sleep. It's a comfy bed, and we made it to Lake Titicaca. We woke up this morning at 5 a.m. to watch the sunrise. We got off the train, went and had some coffee and tea by the lake, and watched the sunrise. In our robes and slippers and about to have some breakfast. We had the most incredible experience on board the Belmond Andean Explorer train. But it was truly the staff that made it so amazing. Here we have mi causa.
Mi causita.
We're gonna miss it here, but we'll definitely be back soon.